round coasters are really cute, but it's also hard to turn the coaster inside out and then stitch that opening closed when it's on a rounded edge with a circle. So let me show you my trick for that. So I've got 2 layers of this green fabric face to face, and then I traced and cut out a fusible fleece circle and fused that to one side of my light green, and then I stitched around the edge of the fusible fleece circle and clipped the curved edges of my fabric. I never went through the seam, but just up to it to help with the turning. So I've got my circle shape stitched in, but you'll notice I didn't leave a opening for turning. And here's my trick instead. So what I do is I flip it over and then I pull it apart to make sure I only have that back layer and not the front layer that's fused to the fleece. I'm gonna cut a little hole in it and then make that hole bigger. I keep the hole right in the center because I'm ultimately going to cover it up. And then I'm gonna turn my circle right side out. And I'm gonna push out those edges. If you've got a turning tool like this is a great place to use it. I just run it along the edge of the seam, and it helps to make my circle have nice smooth edges, as long as I stitch nice smooth edges, but to get them as smooth as possible. So then I'm just going to give this a little press on both sides. And now I'm ready to build the rest of my lime coaster to go with the lemon. My lime coaster on top of where I have this slit, and no one will ever know the slit is there, and you didn't have to try to close up that opening along a curved edge.